"8:01 a.m. Chautauqua time. I salute the rising sun with the joyful noise of a vacuum, clearing the green grass carpet of cookie crumbs from yesterday's tea. I daily disappoint the chipmunks, who know that they're not worthy, but still cheekily demand from under the table to be fed. I sweep with the parabolic passion of a woman searching for a lost coin, a lost child, or simply a stranger who needs coffee and a smile. I am a Methodist. This is a methodical means of radical hospitality. I still the motor, wrap the cord, replace the rockers, then move to the second command, sweep for spiders. I do as asked, but wonder, why such animosity toward web-building beings? Are we not all about making connections? Is it a fear of cobwebs or crawling things? Is this aversion to otherness the very nature of fear? I do as asked, despite my Scottish DNA. I wield the plastic prickled pole with discipline, eradicating homespun silk and acrobatic art in one fell swoop after another. Who needs this healing wisdom in an age of Spider-Man, or the thistled teachings of Robert the Bruce's small spider, who sang, "I think I can, I think I can"? No, I shake out the cobwebs. That's a different story. The chaplain shall, and I have, even though I haven't found a track or trace. I dutifully sweep for invisible spiders, but this morning on my knees, ready to plug in the power, I feel a touch, a feather-fine line that drifts across my cheek. Is this my visitation? Spider-Woman, Holy One of the ancient ways, you, kind-hearted yea, keeper of Danae, Spider-Woman, lover of the two-legged kind. Dare I ask for healing? Bind broken webs and minds. Here on this porch of perfection, teach us to weave again. Being to being, plant to planet, water to life. In beauty it begins, in beauty it is finished.